Guys, it's around 5:30, 45, 5, yeah, I think it's 5:40 a.m. Look at my car. I take out the snow from my car and look at the other car. This is March 4, 2023. After the winter storm, 30 centimeter. See, look at I take out the snow in the way, so I will come out, because I cannot come out if it's too much snow. See, this is the result of winter storm. This is too much. Oh my God. Look at this. It's too many. See that one? See? And now the snow is starting again. See? Starting again. Oh my God. Look. It's windy again. Starting again, guys. It's too much. Oh my God. You think this is the worst? Another worst winter in Toronto. Lord of mercy. My God. Look at this one. See? And I'm standing here and look at the snow. See? Guys, it's too much. And look at the tree. It's an amazing tree. Look. My God. See, it's unbelievable. Look at this car. Oh, look at, it's a mountain of snow. Okay guys, thank you very much. This is Rizaldi from Toronto, Canada.